You ever looked at your savings account and thought, is this really the best place for my money? Like, seriously, it's just sitting there, earning peanuts while inflation eats away at its value. Now, imagine if there was a way to make your money work harder for you, while you, well, live your life. Intrigued? Let's talk about Raiz. Raiz, for those who are new to the investment game, is essentially an app that allows you to invest spare change. It's like having a tiny, money-growing tree in your pocket. You round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, and that spare change gets invested. Over time, it's amazing how those small amounts can add up. But is it actually better than a traditional savings account? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about returns. Your savings account, at best, is probably giving you a paltry interest rate. Something like 0.5% or maybe, if you're lucky, 1%. Inflation, on the other hand, is usually higher than that. So, in reality, your money is slowly losing value. Raiz, on the other hand, invests your money in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Over the long term, the stock market has historically outperformed savings accounts. Now, let's talk risk. Investing involves risk. Your money isn't guaranteed to grow. There are ups and downs. A savings account, on the other hand, is as safe as houses. Your money is protected by the government. So, if you're the type of person who can't stomach any volatility, a savings account might be your thing. But remember, to build real wealth, you often need to take on some level of risk. But Raiz isn't just about investing. It's about making it easy. You don't need to be a financial wizard to use it. The app is simple, and it does most of the heavy lifting for you. You choose your risk profile, and Raiz automatically invests your money accordingly. Plus, you can set up automatic transfers, so you don't even have to think about it. Another thing to consider is accessibility. Your savings account money is usually readily available. You can withdraw it whenever you want. Raiz, on the other hand, is an investment. While you can sell your investments, there might be fees involved, and the value of your investments can go down as well as up. So, if you need quick access to your money, a savings account might be a better option. So, is Raiz better than a savings account? Well, it depends. If you're looking for a way to grow your money over the long term and you're comfortable with some risk, Raiz could be a great option. But if you need quick access to your money and you're risk-averse, a savings account might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It's also a good idea to diversify your investments. Having both a savings account and a Raiz account could be a solid strategy. Remember, this isn't financial advice. It's just information. Always do your own research or talk to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.